Hi guys, welcome back to our Wix Harmony series. Today we are going to learn how to add and customize pop-ups for your Wix Harmony site. Let's get started. To add a pop-up, go to the Add button on the top left. Go to All and look for Pop-up. Select from the designs here that you'd like to use. Once you find one that you like, click on it and it will automatically be added to your page. Once it's added, you can then start working on it. You can edit it pretty much the same way as you edit elements on your page. So simply click on an element that you want to edit, say for example this text, and then start editing its content. And if you want to replace the background image, you can click on Replace Background. You can use a solid color, an image, or even a video if you want to. It all depends on you. So feel free to customize your pop-up's content and design according to your needs and preferences using the tools on the action bar. You can also go to the All Design options right here, and from here you can work on your fill colors, add shadows, and change your layout as you need to. And after you're done customizing your pop-up's content and design, don't forget to set it up. Go to Settings on the action bar above, click on Select Pages. So what we're going to do now is to set where our pop-up will appear. So in my case, I'd like it to appear on the menu page, for example. So we're going to select Menu and then set the number of seconds you'd like the pop-up to start displaying. So this is called the delay pop-up. Once you're done, you can close this window now and your changes will automatically be saved. And if you want to see it in action, you can click on Preview. Try going to the page where you set your pop-up to appear. In our case, we set it to appear when we go to Menu. And as you can see, after 2 seconds, our pop-up, well, popped up. And that means it worked. So that's it. That's how you add and customize a pop-up on the Wix Harmony Editor. Hope you found today's video of help. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.